This video demonstrates how to install and use the BBOtext extension. You probably already have a link to this page, or if you search the Chrome Web Store, you'll find this BBOtext extension. Simply click on the Add to Chrome button. The extension is active only on bridgebase.com. Click Add Extension. You'll see an icon here for this extension, but that icon goes away when you close. You can always bring it back to the status bar by clicking on this button and pinning. You can remove the extension by going to the Manage Extensions, where you can deactivate and reactivate the extension or permanently remove it. This overview page lists various stock phrases, and those are separated into the chat area and the alert explain area where you can explain your bids. Notice that under the chat area, 2 stock phrases begin with a space. That makes it very easy to match to them by simply hitting the space bar. I restarted BBO so that the extension can recognize it and set up a teaching table. If I go into the chat area and type space, the 2 sentences that begin with space match. I can select the first one by hitting the space bar. Enter sends it to the chat. So this technique of hitting space bar, and enter would make it very easy for you to announce your system at the start of each round. If I type T, 4 sentences match to that, and I can use my mouse if I wish to select one of them, for example, thinking, and enter to send. Or you can also use the up or down arrows to scroll through these options, and as you do that, these sentences get selected, and I can select one of them. Let's demonstrate how you can add your own sentences. I'll go back to the space bar. First, I'll delete these 2 sentences. So here's the first one, and here's the second one. And now if I go back and hit space, nothing matches. Put in my own announcement, and then hit enter to enter that sentence. Now from that point on, if I hit space, that full announcement is there, and I can hit either tab or another space and enter. So again, space, enter, and this announcement is in. The bidding and the explain areas for the bidding have their own set of sentences. So if I go into that chat area for the alert and I start typing S, I get several possible matches. Also add a U. So now I have 2 options. I'll pick up the first one by hitting tab, and then I can type something here. Of course, it makes no sense because the alert doesn't match the bid, but you understand the scenario. Even in this area, you can add more sentences. For example, this is forcing bid something. Then from this point on, if I type T and then H, I get a match for this particular sentence, and I can hit tab to enter that text.